Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain Headman Financial Engine App Review to see with what you're using. So to get started, Headman Financial App Review is a planning app from Headman Financial Engines that help user manage retirement and investment account. It lets you track your 401k view, total portfolio value, schedule transfer, and hard liabilities. User appreciates its clean interface, secure two-factor authentication, and the support of professional planners. But it's not without issues. Some users report the app performance dip crashes, buggy logins, or conversion two-factor prompt, especially after update. Many request better breakdown, like saying individual fund performance, contributions, market gain, and per fund risk rate. Features that feel missing. So while EFE offers a solid advisor-backed site and strong security, it still lacks deeper analytics and a smoother experience in key areas. And that's it. So let me know what you think about this platform. And that's it.